I find it very informative, and it's highlighted a lot of areas that I would need to investigate and help sort of implement additional controls across our environment and provide assurances to our business areas. I actually thought it was really good. I am one of the techies, so actually being on with sort of the business side to actually realize, for them to realize that this is not just an IT risk and it has to be looked at across the whole business, and that the business and IT need to work together to ensure that, we can take this forward and implement all the controls. But Amar, yes, I love the course, so thank you very much.